Hi, it's Michael Battaglia from DRP Solutions, back with a new video series. For the next few weeks, we'll be focusing on understanding your business's data. So what is data exactly? Where is it typically stored? Why is it important to protect your data? Today we'll focus on the basics so that you'll have that foundational knowledge for our future episodes. So what exactly is data? Usually when we bring up this concept, we're referring to digital data, meaning data stored on a computer system. These stored items are just a sequence of binary numbers represented as ones and zeros, and that data requires a program to interpret those numbers into a readable format. Now that you have that basic understanding of what data is, you should know that it exists in three different states. Data in use, as in you're editing a Word document, data in transit, like you're sending an email, and finally data at rest, which is how data is stored on a computer system. Typically, it's stored in either your desktop's hard drive, your company's server located in the office, or in the cloud, which is just a server located off-premise. Large companies like Microsoft and Amazon are cloud providers. There are many reasons to protect your company's data. The most common reason now is to guard against cyber attacks and ransomware. So it's vital to keep a redundant copy of your data. Data backups are crucial to get you back up and running if that data is deleted or encrypted. Definitely reach out to individuals you trust for advice and recommendation for data backup products. Follow us here at DRP Solutions and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.